All right, now if we keep going with k is equal to 2, so this is going to be the fourth root of 16, cosine of 120 plus 360 times 2 divided by 4 plus I sine of the same thing, 120 plus 360 times 2 all over 4. So this is 2, and then cosine of 840 over 4 plus I sine of the same thing, 840 over 4. So this is 2 cosine of 210 plus I sine of 210. Okay, well 210 is in the third quadrant, so somewhere down here. So I need to find my reference angle, which is going to be 210 minus 180, which that is going to give us, right, 30, so 30 here. This will be 90, so this will be 60. This will be square root of 3, 1, and 2, and both of these will be negative. So 2, and then cosine of 210 is going to be negative square root of 3 over 2 plus I, and then sine of 210 is going to be negative 1/2. All right, now we're going to multiply 2 times this term and times this term right here. So that's going to give us negative square root of 3 minus 1I, or just I. Okay. Last but not least is k is equal to 3. Okay, so 16 raised to 1/4, or the fourth root of 16. So this is going to be cosine of 120 plus 360 times 3 divided by 4 plus I sine of 120 plus 360 times 3 all over 4. So this is 2, and then cosine of 1,200 degrees all over 4 plus I sine of 1,200 degrees all over 4. So this is cosine of 300 plus I sine of 300. Okay, so 300 is in the fourth quadrant. That's 300. This little angle here is going to be 60, because if we do 360 minus 300, that will give us 60 for our reference angle. Okay, this is 90, this is 30, this is 1, square root of 3, and 2, and the square root of 3 is going to be negative. So then cosine of 300 is going to be 1/2 plus I, and then sine of 300 is going to be negative square root of 3 over 2. Same thing, take this 2, multiply it times this term and times this term right here, which will give you 1, and then minus I square root of 3, because your 2's will cancel here and here. So that would be your final and fourth answer. So all the answers are square root of 3 plus I, negative 1 plus I square root of 3, negative square root of 3 minus I, and 1 minus I square root of 3. That would be all the roots for, way back here, this question right here. Now on the test, the highest that I go is the square root. So you would only be finding 2 answers and not 4. Okay, and that concludes this section right here.